Yo, what is good, people of YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Literally, I've been wondering, like, Dobrik, where you been at, dog? You hasn't posted in a while. Logan Paul is gonna retake the throne if you weren't, you know, on top of your game, so just saying. Title of this one is We Drove a Convertible into a Car Wash. It seems like Dobrik's slowing down a little bit. First of all, he used to upload a lot more, and now it's slowing down. He might be, probably is running out of ideas at this point, but also it's been like 4 hours. Doesn't even have 1 million views yet, so I don't know. Might be a shift happening, might be the Corona thing. It's Corona thing.
Hello guys, it's Jovan, and you know what time it is?
It's Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now.
We getting right into this one.
Hey Todd. Hey Dave. How are ya?
That's Todd. So he's our John Stamos of our group.
There he is.
Not quite as sexy as me, but...
Damn, what the hell is this? Jonah?
I told my friends I thought I saw pussy around here. I guess I was right.
Oh, okay.
If I see you here one more time, I'm gonna fucking...
Oh!
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, no, I don't like that. Oh, shit.
Shot myself! I'll come back and get you, fool!
Corinna, stop!
Can I just touch your BB?
Corinna.
I'm so horny for David all the time.
Why?
I can't work with you anymore. It's too much pleasure and not enough business.
What the fuck's gotten into you?
Like single Corinna?
Yeah.
She's fun.
She's fun.
She's so fun.
I do like single
Let me
Corinna.
suck your dick.
Corinna.
Let me kiss you. It's Valentine's Day.
No. We just left Bottle Block.
Corinna seems like a good friend to have, yo.
We're the sexy lady got from a girl at Bottle Block.
What's it say? Son from Bottle
Guys, we're at a party and Susie really wants to meet Drake.
Okay, so Diplo is sitting behind, like standing behind her. She doesn't know who Diplo is, and Diplo.
That's rude. Don't fucking put something like that. I know. Diplo, I know who you are. I love you. I love your music.
Well, she didn't. I don't think she recognized it.
Right.
He goes, "Hey." She turns around and goes, "I'm sorry. I'm here for Drake." I'm here for Drake.
This morning, like, I woke up, like, I had, like, this gut feeling. I don't know, like, I had a gut feeling. I'm like...
You were just hungry.
We gotta get you to meet him. Hold on.
Please.
Susie's standing with the paparazzi.
No way. No way, Drake's in the vlog. Drake's in the vlog. Drake's in the vlog. Drake's in the vlog.
Drake, Susie's here!
Drake, Susie's here.
Drake, hi, I love you. Okay.
Oh, you went for the hug!
We wanted a hug.
Did he really?
Susie, he put his hand up and you like flinched like he was gonna hit you.
How do I read it?
Susie, are you fucking serious?
I didn't know what happened.
Drake's in the vlog.
I was a dream. I was normal this morning, and now I met Drake.
Susie, after she meets Drake. Guys, this is Viola. She's crazy.
That's lit. You got Drake in the vlog? Alright, it's dope. This is a dope
Just
vlog.
another day in LA.
Dang, bro.
Oh, shit.
You okay?
I wonder if Drake knows who David Dobrik is. That'd be.
How much money does John Stamos make? Just to get.
How much do you think I make on the new show?
I'm assuming $75,000 an episode.
I was gonna guess 100.
How much is it?
It's less than that.
Oh, okay. Really?
Damn.
If we take the convertible
good-looking
to a
guy.
car wash.
I feel like that would be so much fun. Are you fucking high?
Logan Paul's gonna do this in his next vlog. Watch.
That's very clean.
David Blaine. I met David Blaine.
Oh, pull it out, Corinna. Pull the hanger out.
You can check out my vlog where I met David Blaine.
This is David Blaine.
Link in the
What
description.
he's about to do, but he somehow figured out how to turn his stomach into a human fucking aquarium. This is 100% real.
Well, first of all...
I've seen this. Come on, yo. I'm a David Blaine fan.
Completely.
Frog. Let's go. Get it going. Frog. I can't believe I haven't seen this.
Nat, open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Just kidding.
That was sick. We gotta get Drake in the vlog. Everybody blow up Drake's like Instagram and Twitter. Yo, get in the vlog, get in the vlog. Talk to Dobrik. Probably won't do it. He's too famous for that. But Drizzy Drake, yo, was lit.